Hi everyone, welcome back to Learning Bridge. I hope you guys are doing good and staying safe. So guys, as promised, in 2021, I'm trying my level best to bring more and more best and free content for you guys. So in continuation with that, this is the time for Interview Bit and its entity Scalar Academy. And guys, I'm pretty sure that most of you know this platform Interview Bit because even I have been using this platform since my college time to prepare for interviews and even crack the interviews. And guys, being a typical Indian, you and me like one thing for sure, that is free content. So guys, every passing year, the level of technical interviews in software industry is increasing day by day, which means if you do not know the smart art of cracking these technical interviews, then probably you are going to lose multiple golden opportunities in 2021 as well, and especially if you are a working professional. And here comes Scalar Academy and their high rated amazing master classes into the picture, which are free of cost for everyone. That is the main thing. Like, they won't take a single penny from you to attend these master classes. So guys, this Saturday, Sunday, be ready to attend these master classes to learn from someone who actually sat on the other side of table and make sure that he has hired best of the best engineers for his billion-dollar companies. And trust me guys, Scalar's free master classes has got the 4.5 rating out of 5 by more than 10,000 students and working professionals. So that's how you can predict why these master classes are so amazing. Why I'm talking about these free master classes, that is based on my experience, because I have attended those master classes as well. And these master classes become so important and interactive when co-founder itself giving these tech talk sessions and guiding the working professional about how to smash the tech interviews, because they definitely know what they expect from a candidate or from an engineer. About first and most important masterclass, smashing tech interviews. I mean, how to prepare for technical interviews. That would be from co-founder of Scalar Academy itself, Abhimanyu Saxena. Registration link for this masterclass and others is in the description box. So make sure to check that out and get yourself registered before the time. Guys, I will talk about the amazing background of both of the co-founders, Abhimanyu Saxena and Anshuman Singh. Both are IIIT Hyderabad alumni. Anshuman previously worked at Facebook, where he led the team which built and scaled Facebook Messenger feature. Also, he played a very important role to set up their London office, where he hired best of the best engineers. He is also a very awesome competitive programmer and 2 times ACM ICPC World Finalist. So if I talk about Abhimanyu Saxena, so he led the team which designed New York based retail marketplace Fab.com, and again played a very important role to hire best of the best engineers for them. So now guys, you should understand the importance of these master classes which are already taken by the co-founder itself. And if I talk about my experience, so earlier I attended a master class from Anshuman where he talked about designing large scale system. And being a data engineer, I was really keen to hear that tech talk, because I used to work on such kind of systems on daily basis. So I got to learn so many things from that tech talk, like what all things to keep in mind while working on such a large scale of systems. So that's why guys, I'm really emphasizing on these free master classes, because it won't take anything from you. It's free of cost. You just need to register yourself, and as a result, you are going to learn n number of things from these amazing personalities, because people get less number of opportunities to interact with such kind of folks. Don't miss this opportunity. Check out the link in description box and get yourself registered before the time. About second masterclass, how to become a better coder by SD at OLX, Archit Tripathi. Doesn't matter if you are a college student or working professional, but to grow as an engineer in IT industry, you should know how to become a better coder. And this AMA session with Archit Tripathi is going to help you to clear your doubts regarding how to become a better coder. Now about third and again important masterclass, Code the Decode, dynamic programming. So guys, we all know when it comes to data structures and algorithm, how important dynamic programming is for the interviews. And this is the part of DSA which haunts each and everyone, because it feels really complex. And trust me, it haunted me as well, because I was not so good at dynamic programming. But after attending this masterclass on dynamic programming, I'm pretty sure your thoughts will be crystal clear about dynamic programming. You will be quickly able to solve any complex dynamic programming related questions based on your basics and fundamentals, which will be taught by awesome mentor of Scalar Academy who has worked for DirectI as a platform engineer. So guys, after all the information, I am pretty sure that you can understand the relevance and importance of these master classes. That's why I am emphasizing on these classes, because first of all, they are free. Like, they just need your time, a few hours, and in result you are going to get a box filled with numerous amount of information. So that's why guys, don't miss this opportunity. All the registration links are in the description. Check it out and get yourself registered. And guys, Scalar Academy courses have industry relevant curriculums where you will get a direct one-to-one mentorships from such kind of folks who are working at good tech companies and startups. Every in-house instructor at Scalar Academy is a star coder and loved by thousands of students. In fact, there is also career support in the form of resume building and mock interviews. And guys, Scalar Academy's alumni network is working in amazing companies like Google, Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, PayPal, and many more. You can check all this and more information at scalar.com. So in this video, I thought to share the information about these free and amazing master classes because it can help my audience, viewers, and whoever is watching this video, whether you are a college student or a working professional. If you are attending these free master classes, then definitely they are going to help you in your path. In future also, I'll keep you updating about these free master classes. So make sure to subscribe the channel and press the notification icon. Follow our community posts. Join me on Telegram, LinkedIn, Instagram, Discord server. All the links are in the description so that you are updated with these free master classes. So I'll see you guys next time. Till then, just stay safe, stay home, take care of yourself and your family too.